Every business wants to be more productive, but how do you see what's really driving performance across your teams? Imagine having a real view of productivity, efficiency, and the technology your teams use all in one place. Hi, I'm Carrie Ann from Blue Qubit Consulting, a think and change company. We help organizations make smarter decisions through data-driven productivity tools, and today we'll explore how ActivTrak helps you to unlock insights into how your teams work. Most leaders guess where productivity gaps exist. Some teams feel overworked, others underutilized, but without visibility, it's all just assumptions. ActivTrak changes that by revealing your team's trends in productivity, efficiency, and technology use. Let's jump in. Let's go to team comparison. Focusing on productivity, I am able to sort my different teams, departments from top to bottom, 7 days, today, or a custom range. Efficiency and workload. I get information based on my productivity goals for efficiency. Productivity efficiency versus focus efficiency. Workload balance, days overutilized, days underutilized, breaks, right down to the minutes is provided. I also can do a side-by-side comparison from my main teams to my departments, or from country teams to another country teams. This tells me the time breakdown, the average session, the top non-business apps or sites that are used, and also the top applications that are affected by focus time. And I can compare the data to see what's happening on one end to what's happening in another department. What about top categories? Which categories are more used in this team versus another? Or maybe which categories are used straight across the team versus a department? It's all there and it's all customizable. And I can do it here with the click of a button, select my team, select the day, and just refresh. And then I can draw analysis from there. These insights aren't about monitoring people. They're about empowering teams. When you understand work patterns, you can set realistic goals, reduce burnout, and celebrate true efficiency. At Blue Qubit Consulting, we use ActivTrak to help businesses turn data into better decisions and healthier teams. Ready to see your productivity story? Let's power it with ActivTrak. Go ahead and scan the QR code or select the link in the description box where you can sign up for a one-on-one consultation, or I can show you a more in-depth demo for your team. Let's work together to make your teams more productive with ActivTrak.